turning to the right, plane shifted up into pinwheel, and we're going to turn right into the cap together time, and down and out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. Now we're going to turn left 360, come back into overhand, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. And then we're going to turn to the right 360, back into the cap. We'll do 3 and 2 and 1 left turn, shoo, and 3 and 2 and 1 and right turn, shoo, and then 2 and 1 and left turn, shoo, and 2 and 1 and right turn. And now single, left turn, single, right turn, single, left turn, single, right turn, overhand weave, and lock out left, overhand weave, lock out right, overhand weave, lock out left, overhand weave, lock out right, overhand weave, turn left in the lockout into the pinwheel lockout. So pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, lockout. And now barrel roll. So we're going to turn to the left, keep it behind the back, come back around, and pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, lockout, and get ready. We're going to do the barrel roll this time. So turn left, now 2 behind their back, then back to the front, and back up into the pinwheel. Turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave. Now on the return, do an extension right hand, then left hand back to overhand weave, come across the bottom, and extension across the top right, then left, back to overhand weave across the bottom, extension right and left, and then across the bottom. One more time, extension right, extension left, overhand weave, open it up, double stall between your legs, sweep up over the top, overhand weave on the left side, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand. Now do a big extension, left, then right, going back to overhand. Turn right and big extension left, then right, back to overhand. Now come down across the bottom, extension left, then right, down across the bottom, extension left, then right, down across the bottom, extension left and right, down across the bottom, extension left, right, overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, turn right to underhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, turn right to overhand weave, and left turn 360, and right turn 360, and go into the giant, and swivel to the right to the underhand giant, and swivel left to overhand, and swivel side to side, counterclockwise swivel, 3 and 2 and 1, and we're going to go up into the pinwheel, and then together time pinwheel, extension 3 and 2 and 1. Now turn 360 to the right, all the way around, come back, and extension 3 and 2 and 1, and another 360 on the fourth one. Here we go, all the way around, and 3 more extensions, 1 and 2 and 3, and on 4, here we go, turn 360, shoo, shoo, shoo. Now go to split time pinwheel, and then we'll go big for 3 and 2 and 1, and then we're going to right turn 360, and then 3, 2, 1, right turn 360, and 3, 2, 1, and right turn 360, and 3, 2, 1, right turn 360, and then come into the swivel, and 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and chase the sun, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to come up to the buzzsaw, up over the top, pinch, buzzsaw on the left, plane shift it down. You're coming down on the right arm. It's in counterclockwise. Turn with it, turn with it, turn with it to the left. And now come into the inside corkscrew, and then snake charm and corkscrew, snake charm, corkscrew, snake charm, corkscrew, snake charm, corkscrew, snake charm. Now turn with it to the left, and now turn with it to the right. Come back into your corkscrew, and sync it up, tap on the left, while it's short, up and over, tap on the right, up and over, tap on the left, up and over, tap on the right, up and over, tap on the left. Now release it as you come up and over and tap on the right, up and over tap on the left. And now when you come down and tap on the right, we're gonna go back into that same combo. You're turning 2 times around and then come into your cap. 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna turn 360 to the left. And then cap. 2, 3, 4, and then 360 to the left again. And now come down, tap both poi, and now we're gonna come up into the clockwise cap, which is apparently my weak one today. 3 and 4. Now turn 360 to the right, all the way around, and cap. 2, 3, 4, turning to the right, 360, and cap. 2, 3, and 4, turning 360, and cap. 2, 3, 4, and come into clockwise pinwheel, turning to the right with it, turning to the left with it, plane shifted up into pinwheel, turn right into overhand cap, turn left to underhand cap, extension to the right to overhand cap, extension left to the underhand cap, extension to the right to overhand cap, extension to the left to underhand cap, extension to the right to overhand, extension left to underhand, and holding an underhand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to turn to the right 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to turn left 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn right 360, 4, 3, 2, and turn left 360. And come back into underhand weave. Extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, turn right to overhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, and lock out right, lock out left, lock out right, lock out left, lock out right, and down.